who is Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. Today, the topic of my speech is education is the fundamental right of everyone. Mr. President, many schools of thought, as many philosophies, and as many conflicts, as many philosophies, and many years have passed since the formation of Pakistan. But we are still unable to adopt a coherent and integrated education system. It is the bitter truth that we have kept our education system hanging on the gallows till today. It is the work of foreign education system that we are forced to import textbooks and even teachers. Let it be clear to those who sing the song of globalization that their imitation. We have kept our education system hanging on the gallows. Do children in our country have equal educational opportunities, equal curriculum, and equal educational environment? Does our education system guarantee a bright future? Not at all. There are separate educational institutes, unique curriculum, and best facilities for the rich, and for the lower class, there are indigenous, less facilities, and illiterate teachers. This neglect of our heads made the national development and its domination. We have reached our points where our voice is becoming something like this: education is one for all. Attendance of the party. We have to create equality in the education system for our both. A system has to be established to promote karmic attachment, to trample the class division and underfoot. If we are well-wishers and love this country, so we have improved and made easier our education system for all. May Allah give us understanding about this. That is all. Thank you.